Dapat hindi ka muna tinawag.
Oo, tama. Marunong din mag-isip si Matel. Bakit? Tapos nag-uusap kami, nandiyan siya nag-offer. Sabi ko, galing ka, di po na naiipit siya sa gitna niyo. Kaya sa maipit daw siya sa gitna niyo, siya na nag-offer.
Hello, dear guests and friends. Kindly settle down. The world premiere of Bashnikad, the documentary will begin.
Hello po, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Kayo po ang SB19. Unang-una po sa lahat, gusto lang po namin pasalamatan kayong lahat na dumalo dito ngayon dahil itong gabing po ito ay napaka-espesyal para po sa amin. This is the first time that we have documented the things that happened behind and inside and outside po ng ginagawa namin as performers. And talagang makikita nyo po dito yung storya ng SB19, lahat ng mga tao na tumutulong sa amin, lahat po ng tao na nagiging involved sa proseso ng binibigay po namin sa mga tao. And hopefully, ma-enjoy nyo po yung show, ma-inspire po kayo, matapik po kayo, or mabigyan kayo ng inspirasyon kung ano pa man po yung pinagdadaanan nyo sa buhay. And sana po, yun po, ma-enjoy nyo po yung storya.
Ayun po, muli gusto lang po namin kayo pasalamatan sa lahat po ng mga nakatrabaho namin, partners, friends and family. Parte po kayong lahat ng documentary na to kasi hindi po ito mabubuo dahil na kami-kami lang. Ito po ay journey namin, kasama po kayong lahat. So maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
At bago lang po siguro namin makalimutan, gusto lang po namin i-congratulate yung 18 sa pagkapanalo po sa Billboard 10 Army. Congratulations po sa ating lahat. And without further ado, ito na po ang show.
Yes. Pasalamatan din po natin si Direct Jed for this. Congratulations.
And of course, to our family, friends, and lahat po ng mga brands, partners na nandito. This night is very special for us. So sana po maging isang milestone din po ito for everyone. Nasa mga nakasama namin sa journey namin as SB19. And ayun po, maraming salamat for joining us tonight. And ngayong gabi po matutunghian po natin ang storya ng SB19 at buong pagtatag. Kaya naman po, without further ado, this is the Pagtatag documentary. Maraming salamat po.
Sorry.
Wow!
about yung experience nyo working naman po with Direct Jet. Meron po bang something that was different from the music video, na different from this documentary process?
Siguro po, first po, is yun nga po, the trigger point kung paano nagsimula yung documentary. Meron po kasing ginawa si Direct Jed nung parang press con po namin sa release nung pagtatag na. So,
yes. Oo, may tanong po talaga. Okay, yes po.
Hi, good evening. Congratulations, everyone. I'm Ika from Billboard. How will they enjoy it? Even your steps, will they remember the step? So, I guess my question is, and you know, there are already block screenings scheduled for this documentary. So, I'd like to know, what do you guys? I mean, what do you want your fans to take away from this documentary, from this experience? I mean, just think of them that they're all in the block screening, all of the 18s are there, they're enjoying the movie, the documentary. So what do you want them to take away from this experience?
Siguro sa akin personally, gusto ko sabihin sa akin na we're humans too. Kasi yung ibang fans kasi namin parang tinitingala kami as a perfect, perfect creature. So, human din po kami, and dumadanas din po kami ng paghihirap, alam yung struggles namin. And siguro kasi may media, and pinapakita namin kung ano yung kanais-nais na makita ng media, and of course sa mga fans namin. Pero yung ganitong documentary talaga, ang ganitong, ito yung way kung para mapakita namin na tao din kami. This is really helpful for us, and para to connect with the fans who, para makita din nila na who we really are. So, yeah.
Yes, and sabi nga po ni Ken na tao kami. And katulad namin mga tao, it's possible. It's always possible to do the impossible. Kasi parang kung iisipin ng karamihan, kami nga galing talaga sa wala, individuals from siguro talagang very different paths and very different places, and syempre yung paniniwala namin sobrang iba.
Sa effort ninyo na pagpunta dito and sa panonood ng documentary namin. So it's our first documentary, and so parang kung ano yung mga pinakaunang bagay na nangyayari ay kumbaga napaka-memorable. So this one is very special to us. So thank you so much for being here, and I'm sure na itong moment na to special din sa amin to, na kasama kayo manood ng documentary namin. So maraming salamat po.
Remember, pagtatag, all caps dapat yan. Pagtatag, okay? And so muli maraming salamat. And remember that this will have its limited screening from August 28 to September 1 at cinemas near you. And so to our media friends and guests, thank you for joining us. We're still going to be inviting you to take their own photo opportunities, so feel free to get in touch with us. We're gonna help you guys out. And for those of you who enjoyed tonight's premiere, muli maraming salamat. I am Kaki Teodoro. Have a wonderful evening, everyone. At maraming salamat muli for watching.